Hi there, this is Cynthia, the Fat Nomad. I am one of those crazy people who decided that I was going to learn how to ride a motorcycle by riding one around the world. Um, I am starting in North America. I started in Michigan, Ohio, Kentucky, Missouri, Arkansas. That's been this past week. And plan to finish and do the rest of North America, Canada, Alaska before heading down into Mexico, Central America. I am super happy to be doing this trip. I'm super excited. And the very first time I was ever off road on my bike was recently, just a few days ago. We'll see that clip if you wait till the end of the video. There's a bit of a blooper there with my falling over, which was good fun. It's been a whirlwind already in just a week. I feel like I've been on the road for months, but indeed I have not. So I hope that you will join me for the ride and stay tuned to the end of the video if you want a little chuckle. This is me pulling into the home place, which is an 1850s homestead. It's not a replica, to my knowledge. It's actually, these were original structures that were just brought here to this particular property. There's live animals and some pretty cool things going on here. But these were apparently tobacco farmers, so they would have been a middle-class family, which is why there are so many structures. Well, hello, Chickie. So this is the part of the video that will amuse you because I am actually having my very first attempt at off-roading, meaning non-pavement roads. These are probably level 1 in terms of difficulty for most folks who are accustomed to off-riding. I, however, have never done it before. This is brand new to me, and I'm somewhat confident. The only time I get really frightened is when the gradient of the road slants and there's like a cliff or something where I feel like I'm going to slide off the edge, and then I panic and grip my handlebars too tight, and it all goes tits up. But anyway, it's good fun. I'm getting used to what it feels like not to have solid ground under me, and I think you're about to see a little funny if you hold tight here. Beyond my comfort zone. Oh no, fuck.
First time riding off-road like that. I know this is like literally like level 1 for real off-roaders, and I haven't left first gear. So I'm not super cool yet, but it's good because I'm getting the feel for what the ground feels like. So I guess it's a start. So, you know, you should definitely laugh at me though, because I'm kind of laughing at myself at how slow I'm going. But you know, I don't know, don't love falling over, and always a little concerned. I know the bike I can lift normally, but sometimes if it's like at an angle or in a different space, it's really quite difficult to get the leverage to get it up. So anyway, I am super stoked. She's up. I'm not going down this road any further though. Baby steps, small doses. Don't judge me, don't care. Anywho, so yeah, all right, cheers.